Hi guys, in this video, this is a very short tip. I'll show you how to find some loose edges, very small loose edges. So here's the problem. I have these two profiles that I tried to use loft, and the results was obviously terrible and not as expected. So I tried to figure out what the problem is, and it took me a while to realize that there is some loose edges that distorts the entire thing. It's not a complete loft, and it's even really hard to find the loose edges. I can barely zoom into it and find it. So I was able actually finally to zoom into it and see the loose edges, but I want to show you an easy trick. It's over here, and you can see it. So I want to show you an easy trick how to actually find them. So I'm just going to group them together so it's easier to select. I can go face selection, and I'm going to select this plus this. And you see over here, actually, I'm selecting 272 edges out of 274 edges. So this already tells you there's some edges. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to inverse select. So now you see I've selected 2 out of 274. And if you zoom in, you can actually see these two edges here are selected. It's really tiny edges. And that's why it made these issues, because if it's bigger edges, these tools have some settings to detect them. And I guess this was less than the precision settings, and it created some offset and some problems. So all I'm going to do now is click delete, and I'm deleting this, and now you can see I'm left with 272 edges. And now if we're going to go to loft, this works perfectly fine. I've passed this use case to the developers, and they may be able to adjust the tolerance and settings so it detects these small edges and makes sure the loft should still work. Still, this is a good idea, a good way to detect some edges. In some other cases where loose edges can create some issues, this is a good way to find them. I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you want me to show anything else. Thank you.